So children, our fourth chapter of SST is evolution of transport. Fourth chapter of SST is evolution of transport. In this chapter, you will learn about the invention of the wheel and the beginning of transport, famous voyages, modern means of transport, inventions that revolutionized communication, modern means of communication. Key terms: tedious, lasting or taking too long; admiral, a high ranking officer of the navy; circumnavigation, sailing all the way around the world; reed, a tall grass like plant with a hollow stem that grows in a or near water; deciphered, to find the meaning of something that is difficult to understand. Factpedia. See, in 1961, the first human space flight, Vostok 1 of the Soviet Union, was launched. Yuri Gagarin was the first astronaut to travel to space. Factpedia. The Bible was the first book to be printed in Gutenberg's printing press. In India, the earliest evidence of writing was found on seals unearthed at the ruins of Indus Valley civilization. These seals were used to make impression on clay. Beginning of transport. The invention of wheel about 5,000 years back brought about a tremendous change in the way people moved around. Carts fitted with wheels were pulled by animals such as bullocks and horses. People also started using boats and sailboats to transport goods. This made travel not only easier but faster too. Come to some famous voyages. See, during 13th and 14th centuries, many European explorers set out on long journeys in ships and discovered new routes and places in the world. Let us read about some of the most significant expeditions in the history. See here, Marco Polo. He was an Italian explorer who traveled from Europe to Asia. He lived in China for nearly 17 years. He described his experiences in Asia in a book called The Travels of Marco Polo. Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian explorer and an admiral who led 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean from Europe to America. Vasco da Gama. He was a Portuguese explorer who traveled from Europe to India. He was the first person to discover the sea route to India. Ferdinand Magellan. He was a Portuguese explorer who sailed westwards to explore East Indies. He was the first explorer to complete a circumnavigation of the earth. Invention of steam engine. A great revolution in the field of transportation was the invention of steam engine about 300 years ago. Thomas Newcomen was the first person who designed the steam engine, which was later improved by James Watt in 1781. The first train pulled by a steam engine was made about 200 years ago. The discovery of petroleum led to the invention of the first motor run wagon. This event started in Germany and is known as the birth of modern automobile. In 1903, Wright brothers built the first aeroplane. It made traveling to distant places possible in a shorter period of time. You can see picture here of James Watt a steam engine, and Wright brothers aeroplane. Improvement of transport. In 20th century, vehicles running on petrol, diesel, and electricity were introduced. Improved roads and highways were built. The means of transport are classified into three categories: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Although not used for transportation purposes, space travel was a huge achievement in field of science. Many astronauts have traveled to space and made discoveries that have increased our knowledge of the universe. Communication. So, communication means sharing ideas and information with one another. In the prehistoric days, before any language developed, people spoke to each other through sign language. Early humans began writing on clay tablets with pens made of reed. The first evidence of writing was found in Mesopotamia. They wrote on bark of trees or big leaves. Development in communication. In 1440, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press. This was one of the most important discoveries made in the field of communication. Nowadays, people communicate using various means of communication. Telephones, letters, and mobile phones are personal means of communication, whereas newspaper, television, and radio are means of mass communication, as they are used for communicating information to a large number of people at a time. Modern means of communication. Now, the field of communication has undergone massive change in recent times due to advancement in technology. Some of the modern means of communication are your computers or laptops, mobiles or smartphones, fax machines, speed post, satellite communication. Now, let's recapitulate. See, the invention of the wheel made travel and transport of goods easier. Explorers went on long voyages by seas to discover new lands in the 14th century. The invention of the steam engine made traveling easier. Invention of aeroplanes made long distance travel possible. Computers, smartphones, speed post, courier services are the modern means of communication. Thank you.